In this video, we are going to cover some more short questions and their solution. Question number one, again they will ask limit of f bar t. Vector f bar is given in this way, t square plus 1 I bar plus 4t minus 3 j bar plus 2t square k bar. So simply you have to here put the value of 2 in place of t. So simply you will get 5i bar plus 5j bar plus 8k bar. This is very simple question. You can solve it easily. And in next question, you have to find the velocity. So how to find the velocity? dr by dt is the velocity at t is equal to 0. So vector rt is given in this way. You have to differentiate this rt with respect to t. So the differentiation of cos 2t is equal to minus 2 sine 2t I bar plus differentiation of 3 sine 2t is equal to 6 cos 2t. So finally when you put t is equal to 0 here, so you will get 0 I bar plus 6j. In the next question, we have to find the modulus of del phi at 1 comma 1 comma 1, where phi of x comma y comma z is xy plus yz plus xz. So del phi, how to find del phi? It is actually gradient phi. So del phi by del x, I del phi by del y, and j and del phi by del j. In this way also we can write, or you can write in the coordinate form also. So del phi by del x, that is equal to y plus z, and del phi by del y will get x plus z, and del phi by del z will get here x plus y. Now putting 1 comma 1 comma 1 here, so we'll get 2 comma 2 comma 2, and then modulus we can find root 2 square plus 2 square plus 2 square, that is equal to root 12, and simplifying we'll get 2 root 3. So when we partially differentiate any function with respect to x, then y and z are constant. When we differentiate with respect to y, x and z are constant, and when we differentiate partially with respect to z, then x and y are constant. The next question, we have to find component of del cross f bar. For f bar is equal to y sin x I bar plus x sin y j bar. So del cross f, how to find? You have to write I, j and k in the first row, and then del by del x, del by del y, and del by del z. You can write here, and then you have to write component here. In this case, it will be y sin x, and the component j second component x sin y, and third one is 0. So you can solve this determinant, and solving this determinant you will get this value x cos y minus y cos x k bar. So this is the k component. The next example, give parameterization of the cone z equal to root x square plus y square, where z lies between 0 and 1. So we have to use cylindrical coordinate. The axis of this cylinder is z. So x equal to r cos theta will take here, and y is equal to r sin theta, and z equal to r. Since z equal to r, so the range of r is lies between 0 and 1, and the value of theta lies between 0 and 2 pi. Next example, evaluate surface x dx along S, where S is the portion of z equal to 4 minus x square above the xy plane. So what we have to do, we have to find ds first. So by this formula we can find ds root 1 plus del z by del x square plus del z by del y square dA. So del z by del x is equal to minus 2x, del z by del y equal to 0. So ds is equal to root 1 plus 4x square dA. So applying integration over x and y. So I is equal to double integration x root 4x square plus 1 dx dy, where d is the projection of s on the plane xy. The given surface satisfies z greater than equal to 0. Means z, the value of z is equal to 4 minus x square. So that is greater than equal to 0. From here we can find the range of x. So x lies between minus 2 and 2. And the y lies between minus infinity and infinity. Uh, so the integral becomes this double integration minus infinity to infinity and range minus 2 to 2 x root 4x square plus 1 dy dx. So since there is no y dependency, because this function depends on x only, the y integral contributes an infinite term, implying that integral divergent. The value of this integral is infinity. Therefore, this integral is divergent. Finally, state the divergence theorem in 3 dimension. So the divergence theorem states f integral double integration f dot and d sigma over s is equal to triple integral divergence f dv, where d is the region enclosed by s and f is a vector field. Thank you. Link of PPT is given in the description.